Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivoactive 5 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press and hold the upper button to open the controls menu. In this menu you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, and this is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. To enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, you will see the message DND on, and the icon will change the color, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And once you're done, you can press the lower button to go back to watch face. And if you want to disable the mode, simply press and hold the upper button to open the controls menu, tap on the Do Not Disturb mode icon again, you will see the DND off message, the icon will go back to the gray color, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.